Can you all see me now? What happened? I don't know what happened. There was something wrong with the internet today. If you can hear me, just say hi. Just say hi to me if you can hear me. If you can't hear me, just let me know. Can you all hear me now? Hi, Ashima, it's here. Amrita, hi. Sorry about that. There was something wrong with the internet today. That's why we had that problem. You can hear me now. Are we on Facebook? No, I'm also on YouTube, but the one what I had done before, that's gone now. So I'll be deleting that one. There's something wrong with the internet. Okay, hi, don't do that again. It's not me, it's the internet. I didn't do anything. It was the internet, guys. Remember, it happens with the internet sometimes. I was asking all of you, how was your weekend? Did all of you have a good weekend? You can hear me. That's good. So, how was your weekend, all of you? Did you have a good weekend? I'm fine, Joseph. I wanted to ask you all about your letter writing first. I only received there are around 30 of you who come here every week, and I only received 4 creative writings till now, the letter writings basically. I didn't receive anyone's letter writing. Please, if you feel that you can win a prize, just do it. Your birthday was on Saturday. That was good. That's very good. Many happy returns of the day. So please, 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 I again say, I don't have time. You don't have time. Just do it. I have done it and sent it yesterday. I'll have a look if you have done it. If you have not done it, please do it, because we'll be making this group more exciting now, and we'll be having more prizes every week now. Yeah, send it by today. I'll be telling you who won by today evening. So you have time till 5 o'clock today. I have my tuition at 4 to 5, so you can send it around 5 or 6. Fun with Ali. I've seen you after ages now. You were busy, looks like. Ishita, they are saying hi to you. Ishita is also saying hi to all of you. She'll write hi from my side to you all. I was not too well. I hope you're well now. What's the price? We have the price for this one is a comprehension book, but other prices what we're having in these groups are really good. The other prices in the group are we'll be having a lucky draw, and whoever wins the lucky draw will win a £10 Amazon voucher. So that lucky draw will be done really soon. You missed the class. The letter, if you can see the letter, it's in the ALT group. What letter you have to write, you can see it there. It's given in that group. So just have a look. When is the lucky draw? That was I was telling in the group 11 plus ALT group. If the day we have 1,000 members, we'll have a lucky draw from all 1K members, and with 1K members, we will be giving £10 voucher. We'll take a lucky draw from 1K members, and we'll have a lucky draw, and the one who wins will get a prize. We'll get a £10 voucher and ALT maths paper. So try making this group 1K to win that £10 voucher. 372 left. I know there's a lot left. So we need to push everyone from ALT group. We need to tell everyone, come on guys, we need 1K members. We have 5K members in ALT group and not even half of the members want to come and join us here. So bad, no? So that's why I wrote in the group, maybe some members will look at that and then they will be like, okay, let's do it. Let's win the lucky draw and do it. So you know what are we doing today? So we'll be doing today compound shapes, how to find the area and perimeter of compound shapes. This was suggested by your parents in the group. They said that all of you are struggling with that. So we have to do some of the topics all of you are struggling in. So one of the topics, what your parents have told me, your parents have told me that we should have it. Ashmi, your birthday is tomorrow. I hope Ashmi comes tomorrow. If she doesn't, then we'll wish her in the end of the lesson. All of us will wish Ashmi many happy returns of the day. Yeah? So let's do it now. We'll be starting. I'll be sharing my screen. Some parents want us to write the answers on the screen. So I started sharing the screen from the platform we use for our online classes. So I'll be writing the answers on that. So if some of you miss the answer, you can see the answers there. This is something which was suggested by your parents, that they need us to write the answers on the papers, what we do from now onwards. Preet, stop writing the name of the platform we use, please. You should have some secrets here. Mathula, I was expecting you to write the letter writing. I was waiting for your letter. I didn't receive it. Can you try giving me your letter? So try doing the letter, all of you. I won't tell you what platform I use. Preet should stop writing it. I think none of you have seen what she's done. Naughty, naughty Preet. So please, okay, one more thing I want to tell you. We are also having a mock test, online mock test. If any of you are looking for the mock test for Kent, Bexley, Newstead or St. Olives, try telling your parents to book our mock test from our website. So just try doing it. We have a lot of mock tests. ALT has a lot of mock tests, online mock tests we are having. If any of you are interested to do that, I know some of you have booked that, and if you're still interested, just go on Ambitious Learning website and just book it. Yeah, I got a website with GL assessment. That's good. Let's start doing some work now. Let's start doing some work. How much is your mock test? My mock test is £50. What are you doing today? I just came. Oh, we are going to do area and perimeter. I'm not doing mock test for CSCA. No, not for that. I'm only doing for Bexley, Kent, Newstead and St. Olives. Okay, let's start sharing the screen and start doing some work. Yeah? How was your weekend? My weekend was fine. Let's share the screen. And let's do some work now. I'll zoom this for you guys. Oh, that's better. Start doing the first shape. Tell me the area. Work out the area of the shape. Remember, when you're finding the area, I will also write it down for the members. Manish, I'll tell you afterwards. Let's start doing this now. Remember, you're finding your answers are wrong, guys. Try finding. Yes, your answers are right. Good. So let's tell the children who. Okay. Now I'm going to write it on that so that you all can find the answers. How to do. So the answer is 5 plus 7 is 35. That's and this one would be 10. And then they are telling you work out the area or the shape. You will just multiply 5 multiply by 7. That will give you guys 35. Remember, that's not the end. Then you have to do half into 4 is to 5. That gives you 10. And the end thing, what all of you did was really good. Just add them up. 35 plus 10. That gives you, sorry, I'm taking little long time to do it. And your answer is 45. If you got this answer, well done to you all. So this is how we did this one. I really get it now. So that's why I wrote it on the board. This is a way. You got it first. That's good. Then half, and then you just add them up. I'm sorry, I'll take little time to write on the board because this board is little. I'll find an easy way to do it for you guys. So this is the answer for the first one. I hope all of you got it right. I'm going to rub it out. And what the hell you do, just say. I know, but some parents want me to write it down. So let's do, it's the square and the triangle. Yeah, you just 5 is to 7. That's 35. And then you're just doing half of that and finding it out. So let's do the next one. Let's rub this one now. All of you have done it. The next one. Let's go on the next one now. Oh, I can still see this. Naughty, naughty, go. So find the second one is for you here. I'll give you guys a minute to do it. Again, you need to find. Okay, next one. Try doing it. I'll give you guys a minute to do it. Try doing the next one and see how you do it. It's easy. For the next one, if you don't know it, it's somebody's giving the answer. It's not 140. No, that's not the answer. Let's do it together. This one. So basically, what are you doing in this one? You're doing 8 multiplied by 9. That gives you all 72. And then you all are doing is the next one you are doing is you're doing half of 12 multiplied by 5. Remember, you need to find that's 30. That's 30. And the next thing you are doing is you're adding them up. 72 plus 30. That gives you 102. This is the way how you do it. That's the answer for your next one. If you didn't get it, that was easy. So you're just multiplying 8 multiplied by 9. All of you know it's 72. Then you're doing half of 12 multiplied by 5 is 30. And then in the end, just add them up because you need to find the area. Ravi said she didn't get it. Look at what's 8 multiplied by 9 is 72. And why did we do half? Because we can make them like two shapes. Half of 12 multiplied by 5. That's 30. How did you get 12? I didn't get. What's 9 plus 4, guys? What do you add 9 plus 4? No, sorry, not 9 plus 4. It's basically you are doing 8 multiplied by 7 is 72 and you're doing half of that because we have made them in two shapes. And when you do in two shapes, that's 12. Half of 12 multiplied by 5, that's 30. Remember to divide the shapes in two always when you're doing compound shapes. Make the shapes in two and then find the answer. Got it now? So let's try doing another one. Let's do another one. Sorry. I'll zoom that for you guys. Try the always when you're finding the compound shapes, I can see it. You can see it or you want me to zoom it more. Whenever you do compound shapes, try making the shapes into two so that you get the answer. Try doing the answer. And remember, you can always do the shapes in Okay, let's do this one now. In this one, remember 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. I'm giving you guys a little hint here. That's 30. And this one here, this full is 10. But if I see only this one, this line here, because some of you are getting confused, I would say this one is 4. I've done it little easy for you all to find it now. Try doing it now. And then I'll write the answer. I've done it. I've done so much for you all now. I've made it easy for you, the ones who said they are not getting it. So you can get it now. 40. Molly's got it right. That's good. That's the answer. How did we get that? Let's try doing it now. So what we did is we just multiply 5, multiply by 6. That gives you all 30. And the next thing what you did was always remember half of 4 multiply by 5. That gives you 10. And in the end, you are just adding all them up. 30 plus 10. That gives you 40. That's your answer. That's your answer for this one. See mine. I'm looking at yours now. I get the answer first. Well done, everyone. So this is the way how we do it. That was easy. Let's do the other one now. Let's go for number 4 now. I do divide the Mac option. Miss Ashima, can you write formula to square and triangle, please, and rectangle? We are not using any of the formulas. We are just using we are just doing half in this one. So let's try doing the next one now. Well done. If you got that one right, so let's try doing number 4 now. There's a next one for all of you. Oh, this diagram has some doors here. I'll zoom it if you can't see it. So the diagram shows a wall with a door in it. So you need to work out the shaded area. Remember, only the shaded area. So how would you do that? In this is an easy one. Good. The answer is right here. Is 10 meters square. That's also good. All of you are giving it right. So the people who don't know how we did it, we are just multiplying them. And when we do that, we are just going to multiply. And when we do that, we'll be just multiplying 3 by 4. 3 multiplied by 4. That gives you 12. And the other one, what they do is you just multiply 1, multiply by 2. That gives you 2. And in this one, we are going to do the opposite. We are just going to subtract 12 minus 2. That gives you 10. That's your answer for this one. I hope you got it. This was easy. Now I get it. Okay, that's why I'm writing on the board for you guys so that you understand if you don't understand the way to do it. Preeti is saying it's easy. Have you all seen it? Should we go on the next one? You got it? That's good. Let's move on to the next one now. I will zoom it for you guys and I'll give you a minute to do this one. Oh, it's gone up now. Little more zoom so all of you can see it. Yes, you can see it now. Ashmi, nobody won the letter writing. We are still doing it. So the diagram shows there are six-sided shades from a rectangle to a right angle triangle. Work out the total area of six shaded shapes. So you need to find the total of a six. If you don't know it, don't worry, we will do it. To make your life easy, I can do something. Some of you are getting stuck on this, so let's make your life little easy, guys. To make your life easy, what's 12 multiplied by 2? That's 24. And another things, how much is this line? This line would be 5. And how much will be this one here? This one here would be 15. So I've done little things for you to make your life easy to find it out. Now, try doing it now. Remember, shape made from a rectangle and a right angle triangle. So I've done it all for you. Now you all can find it. You can find the answer now. Good. Dia's got the answer. It's 39. Preeti also got it, 39. So let's do it for the ones who didn't get how to do it. I tried making it easy for you all so that you know what the answer is. But now I will write it down for the ones who don't understand. As I told you, 2 multiplied by 12, that's the first thing you will do. That's 24. And the next thing what you will do is half into 6 into 5. That will give you guys 15. And remember, the next thing what we do is we add them up. 15 plus 24. And then we will get our answer. That will be what all of you are writing is 39. So that's the answer for the ones who don't know how we did it. I'll give you guys a minute. Well done, everyone. If you have seen, well done, everyone. So we'll be moving on the next one now. Good. Let's move on to the next one now. I want to see how many of you can do it. I can give you some hint for the next one if you don't know how to do it. Oops, sorry. I will zoom it for you guys so you can see number 6. Try doing number 6 for me. I'll give you a minute to do it. Then I will zoom. Again, zoom. I have zoomed a lot. Manish, can you see it? See it now? It's saying their diagram shows 3 small rectangles inside a large rectangle. The large rectangle is 10 centimeters by 8 centimeters. Work out the area of the region shows shaded in the diagram. Some of you are so fast in this. Good, Josh. That's 56. That was an easy way to do it. The ones who don't know Let's do it with the answers. First thing, 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Again, 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Again, 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So this is what you have. 3 8s here. Now I'll tell you how to work it out. The ones who don't know how to do it, that was an easy way. You just do it. 10 multiplied by 8, that gives you 80. That's the first thing, but it's not the last. Then we do it 4 multiplied by 2, that gives you 8. And then we do it 8. Then we need to minus. Remember, we need to minus. I'll put the view. 3 multiplied by 8. And then you got 80. 80 minus 24. That will give you guys 56. That's your answer. This is the way how we did it. If you don't know how to do it, just look at the board. That's the reason how we got. Well done. All of you are getting the answer. This was little confusing, this one. But all of you are so clever. You did it. Let's move on to the next one. We have really clever kids here. So I'm going to zoom this one for you. Try doing this one for me. Oh, my diagram is gone up. I'll give you guys a minute to do it. You go to sleep, it doesn't get harder. But some are finding it really hard. Zoom. Somebody's saying zoom. Let's zoom it. Try doing it now. Vivek already got the answer. Is 70. Ravi, I got so many of you got the answer. Let's do for the ones who don't know how to do it. This one was so easy. This one was very easy. It was the same way as we did the previous one. We just did 12 multiplied by 5. That gives us 60. And then we did was half. Remember, always half. Multiply by 4. Multiply by 5. That gives me 10. And afterwards, I just minused 60 minus 10. Sorry, we are adding in this one. We are not minusing in this one. You have to be really careful. What do you do? That gives you 70. Because they're asking you the area of the whole shape, you have to add it up and find the area of the whole shape. So that's your answer to 70. Easy? Okay. Let me see. They might give you some hard ones now. That's the formula for that you need to find. The formula is half into base into height formula. Who was asking me? Funmid Ali was asking me, can you please write down all the formulas? He's getting confused maybe. So let's do the next page. Let's zoom this one again. Oh, not you. We are zooming now. So you want me to zoom a little more? Here you go. And try doing this 8 one now. So the diagram shows you a rectangle inside a triangle. The triangle has a base of 12 centimeters and a height of 10 centimeters. The rectangle is 5 centimeters by 3 centimeters. Work out the area of the region shown shaded in the diagram. So you're just going to find in the shaded diagram. This one is so easy. Yes, all of you got the answer. Joseph was the first one again. He got the answer was 45. The ones who don't know it, I will again write it for you. You're just doing half. We are using the formula again. Half multiplied by 12 multiplied by 10. That gives me 60. And what the next thing I'm doing? I'm doing 3 multiplied by 5. That gives me 15. And in this one, because they only asked us about the shaded area, I'm just going to minus it. 60 minus 15 gives me 45. That's my answer. If any of you don't know how to do it, just have a look. Josh, I have a little hard one now. Let's see if you guys can do that one or not. So let's do zoom for this for you guys to have a look at this diagram. Little more zoom. Here you go. Try it now. Try doing it. What? Try doing this one. Zoom. How much zoom you guys want? Oh, that's big zoom now. So what are you finding in this one? In this, they're asking you, the diagram shows the plan of a field. The farmer sells the field for 3 pounds per square meter. Work out the total amount of money the farmer should get. Something different now. Little more zoom. If I do little more zoom, let's try if I can do little more zoom in this. I hope it's better now. Joseph, that's the last one. Let's see if you can do it. And your answer is wrong. That's the last one for today. Your answer is wrong. Let me find the right answer, then I'll tell you guys how to do it. The last one is hard. Oh, I got a right answer. Oh, where is the right answer gone? That's the right answer. 31425. And who got this? Ashish got it. Should we do it how we did it? You guys wanted to do it hard. So the last one they did was hard. So the first thing, whenever you have a shape like this, I would always tell you guys to divide it into two shapes. If I do that, so this area, what is this? This would be 70. That's 70. And this here, this one here would be 85. Try making it easy first for yourself to do it. Now I have made it so easy for you. So the next thing, what I'm going to do is going to tell you how to do it. The next thing, you will just multiply 35, multiply by 100. That gives you 7,500. And the next thing, what I'm going to do is, again, using the formula, I'll do half of 70 into 85. That will give me 2975. And remember, the next thing is always adding them up. 7,500 plus 2975. That will give you 10475. And that's not also your answer, because we have to find how much the farmer sells the field for 3 pounds per square meter. The last thing what you have to do is you need to multiply by 3 to get your answer. And when you do multiply by 3, you will get the answer 31425. This is the how you have to do this one. So this is the way how you do the last one. Well done, everyone. Have a look. The last one was little confusing for all of you. Now I get it. Because in the end, you didn't multiply it by 3, because they told you to, they asked the farmer sells the field for 3 pounds per square meter. So you have to do that in the end. When the lockdown is over, are we still doing ambitious learning tuitions or not? But I really want to carry on it, please. We'll be doing on Sundays then when your school starts. But you guys will be doing your 11 plus in September. But we'll be still having the classes on a Sunday after you guys start your year 6. I'll be preparing you guys for your SATs, things like that. Will be still here. Good. So did you guys like this class today? There was something different. Let's stop sharing the screen. So I hope all of you was little confusing at first, but you forgot, you know the formula now, you know how to do it now. It was wonderful. So I hope you know how to find compound shapes now. Never get confused when you see compound shapes. And tomorrow we'll be doing grammar, English grammar. We'll be choosing some easy topics for grammar. Actually, none were hard. Oh, nothing was hard. The last one was hard for you, every one of you. Only one of you got the answer right. Ashmi, tomorrow is Ashmi's birthday. If you don't come, Ashmi, tomorrow, many happy returns of the day. Ashima, you told me how to go live. Yes, I will. It's really easy. You just go on your YouTube channel. On the side, it's given there the option of upload and go live. Just click the option go live. So, tomorrow's grammar. Have a lovely day, all of you. And go and eat your food now. There you go, Ashmi. I hope she's happy now. Can we do algebra? We'll do algebra next week. We have decided for this week. Tuesday, we will be doing your English. And on Wednesday, we'll be doing your codes. And on Friday, we'll be doing something really good. All of you would like that. We'll be doing how to write a article in a magazine or a newspaper. That we'll be doing that on a Friday. So there are a lot of things going on this week. Don't miss any of the sessions. This was not short. It's already one. Can I go? Yes, you can. Have a lovely day, all of you. Happy to join on Thursday as well. We don't have any class on Thursday. We only have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We rest on a Thursday and we come back on a Friday. Bye, everyone. Have a lovely lunch, all of you. No Thursday class, no Thursday class. But I'll be making a video. I have some really good tricks for you all for how to find the percentage and things like that. And your fractions. If you are struggling in fractions, I'll make that video and you can come and see the live video on Thursday. Bye, everyone. Have a lovely day, all of you. I'll see you guys tomorrow now. Bye.